bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Soaking your dishwasher filter loosens stuck-on food debris, but scrubbing with a soft brush under warm, soapy water cleans more effectively. Regularly combining soaking and gentle scrubbing prevents clogs and keeps your dishwasher running smoothly. A clean filter means cleaner dishes every time.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.